Hello everyone, my name is Sanshwini Puyad. My technical topic is my subject name is minimum criteria for reporting in pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is science activities related to the detection, assessment, and understanding and the prevention of adverse effects and any other drug related problem. It is known as the pharmacovigilance. Pharmacon means the drug or medicines, and vigilance means to keep watch. And signal detection, report information is possibilities is the causal relationship and drug between the drug and adverse event, and it is the previously unknown and incompletely. This is known as the signal detection. And serious adverse event, this is the first about the result death as require hospitalization and prolongation of existing hospitalization. Third one is the incapacity. The fourth is the birth defect, and fifth is the medical significant. And adverse event it is the with or with maybe or without the causal relationship. So relationship it is the adverse, unfavorable, and unintended. And the mm, minimum criteria for reporting in the pharmacovigilance. Four criteria. First about the identifiable patient. Identifiable the patient is including the age and gender. And second one is the suspect drug. It's the lot number, batch number, and starting date ending. And third one the identifiable reporter. This is including the uh, contact and contact and email ID and informations. And fourth one is the at least one adverse event. And compulsive methods for evaluating safety are needed to the objectively assess the full risk profile of a medication, the confidence of the prescription provided in the safety and effectiveness of pharmaceuticals extremely important. Pharmacovigilance is the key important of drug safety regulatory process and is the paramount ensuring the safety profile in the medication used to treat patients. All participate in the healthcare system, including in the healthcare procedure, and consumers should understand and manufacturably engage in the pharmacovigilance process. Healthcare provider should integrate in the pharmacovigilance in of everyday practice. Evening the feedback from the patients in narrative reviews aims to give the overview of the main topics underlying the pharmacovigilance and drug safety in the pharmaceuticals research phase. After the authorization of a drug in the United States, the US FDA means Food and Drug Administration guidelines, the and post approval the regulatory actions and are considered farming industry and perspective plan language summary regulatory process that ensure the safety of drugs is monitored. Government agency regulate the safe use of medicinal product by determining the and enforcing pharmacovigilance monitoring of drugs and post potential risks, and they thus safeguard the welfare of the consumers of medicines. Comprehensive documented method of evaluating the safety of a drug during the development and subsequent use allow identification of any risks associated with the drug and uses through the lifetime. The composite identification of safety issues associated with the drug in improving all parties involved in the development and use of drugs participate in the pharmacovigilance process. For example, in clinicals, should regularly ask their patients if they are they experience any issues with their treatment, and patients should encourage to report problem they are the encounter with the particular medication to their the healthcare provider. The narrative reviews provided an overview the main topics underlying pharmacovigilance and drug safety. After approval of drug in the United States, guidelines actions from the US FDA are considered from an industrial perspective. Adverse event, adverse drug effect, and clinical trials, drug tolerability, and pharmacovigilance, post marketing, and regulatory safety. Pharmacovigilance is the detection, monitoring, understanding, and the prevention of adverse event for medicines. Evaluation of drug safety begins the preclinical development and continues through the drug's clinical trial and extends the past product approval in the post-marketing setting, while the assessment of the safety in clinical trial provides insight adverse event that may occur in the indicated population. These studies are limited by their study duration and predefined patient population, which responds only subsecute in real world. The population that may be eligible is to explore the therapeutically potential in the assessment during the clinical trial. Pharmacovigilance ensures the safety is the drug evaluated in the medicine uses of medicine. Post surveillance drug with the processing facilitated identify the safety identified during clinical authorization and participate in the products consumers with the provided and monitoring surveillance prognosis of manufacturing and just is the support use of the foundation of federal regulation in the process narrating the understand narrative describe the process pharmacovigilance the regulatory information product in the changes definition is the national regulatory agency including US FDA and ensure the sale and effective maintenance of the general public pharmacovigilance prescription involving the identification and evaluation of the safety signal associated with the use of the medicinal product and referred all scientific and data gathering activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, advanced in the process, risk assessment during the medicine's clinical development, including the identification, adverse event, and adverse reaction referred to the drug extent in the placebo has been divided. It will the possible this across the assessing medicine of the risk in the benefits the and understood the process of medicinal product. This is the post marketing essence is completed lack of placebo compared to the use by patient and compatibility. This is the concomitant medicinal product safety signals is the defined and the FDA extended with the extended associated product is based on this reported clinical trial to may pass the prices surveillance and sporting identification safety is signal that determine the treatment causative and this the represent the position is the communication patient is the HCP. Causality is the integral medical review in the possibilities association with the intake of drug and the occurrence of the event in a single individual patient is known as the causality. Causality objective is the help in the signal detection and establishes the relationship between drugs and events. Thank you.